will evaluate tragacanth as an excipient of natural origin by performing the chemical test for tragacanth. So the requirements for the practical are: apparatus required are test tube stand, test tube holder, pipette, measuring cylinder, glass slide, and microscope. Chemicals required are 10% of ferric chloride, iodine solution, NaOH, ammonium hydroxide solution, and ruthenium red.
Requirement for the practical, so we require water, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, ammonium hydroxide solution, dilute HCl, iodine solution, ruthenium red, the powder that is gum tragacanth, failing solution B, saline solution A, and caustic potash. So microscope is also required as an apparatus. Then slide, spatula, brush, some test tube holder, and pipettes. So now we will perform the first test, that is solubility. So first we will test the solubility in cold water. So here you can see it is not completely soluble, it is partially soluble, and then the powder starts swelling, so it indicates the presence of tragacanth. So for second solubility, warm water is taken into the test tube. To that we'll add tragacanth powder. So here you can see the drug is soluble in warm water. It indicates the presence of tragacanth. So now next test, for that we require a slide. Over that slide we will spread the tragacanth powder with the help of spatula. And to this we'll add ruthenium red solution. Mix this with the help of brush. And now we will observe this slide under microscope. So under microscope, pink color crystals are observed that indicates the presence of tragacanth. So we'll perform the next test, that is iodine solution test. So for that we require test solution of gum tragacanth into a dry test tube. To this we'll add iodine solution. Here no green color is obtained, so maybe starch may be present in the tragacanth. If green color is obtained, then it indicates the absence of starch. So next test will require gum into the test tube. To that we'll add ammonium hydroxide solution. So here, this is the stingy precipitate obtained by addition of ammonium hydroxide, indicates the presence of tragacanth. So for next ferric chloride test, we will take the test solution in the test tube. To that we will add ferric chloride solution. And we'll boil on burner. So here you can see a deep yellow precipitate is obtained that indicates the presence of tragacanth. So next is sodium hydroxide test. For that we'll take a test solution in a test tube. To that we'll add sodium hydroxide solution. And we'll warm over a bottle bath. So Here is a canary yellow precipitate obtained after warming the solution. So it indicates the presence of tragacanth.